Ahoy, my fellow food fanatics, Captain Cook here, and today we're setting sail on a culinary adventure of epic proportions.
That's right, we're embarking on a voyage across the vast blue sea, destination Genoa, Italy, the birthplace, the heart, the soul of Pesto. We're on a quest, a mission, a pilgrimage, if you will, to uncover the most authentic, the most delectable, the most mind-blowingly delicious pesto dishes that Genoa has to offer. We're talking pesto pasta, pesto pizza, pesto, well, just about everything pesto. Now, this journey won't be a quick one, my friends. We're talking weeks at sea, battling the waves, harnessing the wind. So, unfortunately, there won't be any cooking videos for a little while. But fear not. We'll be documenting every step of this adventure. The salty air, the rolling seas, the anticipation building with every passing mile. And when we finally dock in Genoa, oh, you're in for a treat, a pesto extravaganza. So hang tight, my culinary comrades. Stay tuned, set your notifications, and prepare yourselves for a pesto experience like no other. We'll see you on the shores of Genoa.